In the heart of the Wasatch Mountains in Vineyard, Utah, USA, is 4Life's manufacturing facility. The building amasses 175,000 square feet or 16,000 square meters. Just how big is this? That's the size of a professional football stadium with room for 60 to 90,000 spectators. Inside, the plant houses the most innovative and state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Through this technology, 4Life is able to blend, test, encapsulate, bottle, and package its products. Why is this important? Because it allows 4Life to completely control the quality of its products. From raw ingredient handling to finished product storage, everything, from start to finish, is upheld to the highest quality standards. And if you know us, you know that quality is everything. After receiving, every ingredient is quarantined and tested for identity, purity, strength, and composition. Finished, encapsulated products are also quarantined and undergo quality control tests to verify that all specifications and label claims have been met. In fact, just one bottle of 4Life Transfer Factor Plus undergoes hundreds of tests prior to release for sale. The new facility means that 4Life now produces around 80% of all 4Life products and 97% of encapsulated products. 6 encapsulation machines generate anywhere from 500,000 to 1 million caps per day, depending on demand. The environment of the facility is no less than pristine, with pharmaceutical-grade standards for cleanliness and strenuous employee practices for ingredient and product handling. 4Life has contracted with NSF International, an independent third-party certifying body that audits procedures, programs, facilities and equipment, documentation practices, grounds, sanitization, and lab operations. 4Life's manufacturing facility boasts an A grade from the NSF certification process. NSF ensures that the facility adheres to CGMPs, or Current Good Manufacturing Practices, prescribed by the United States Food and Drug Administration, an agency that regulates and enforces safety of products. The NSF mark on 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Trifactor formula represents a further certification of product contents, an assurance that the composition of the product and ingredients have been verified to match what's on the label and that they have been assessed for the presence of contaminants, microorganisms, and pesticides. 4Life is on the Traces list. Traces is the European Commission's online platform for sanitary certification required for the importation of food into the European Union. The facility has also passed halal and kosher inspections and has received the accompanying certifications. In short, anything that goes in or out the door of our facility is held to 4Life's high consumer quality standards, so that consumers can be sure they are getting the very best of the best, and we can be proud of what we are putting out into the world.